maybe to say mame one
abrofo man one will be having orgies
eno ye de metie fo ntia se
orgies say money mo hu dida and fan say be 5 women 5 boys
wow
when you wait that
emu nyina wo dem ho
and I say threesome
okay
and I say obini ne mame beba on pese oni wo muda you know because abrofo no mo have a well
a bimo okay
a perception
okay
say when once you go black you can never go back omo feel it black
anti no omo no wo gidie bi say e before mema no mo wo ahodi bi wo mpam ase mpam agudie no mo wo ase mo de no ekoyie esen abrofo de no eti se omo be hia bibi sa na enti maami bitimi ne ba eba
ya yepi ya me wa forgiving ya yepi
nyame hu mobo
e wan na me frɛ me maami first time I me ye bi no
ya woni maami ne ba dai
ne matu na me frɛ me maami say mommy me mbaga na biom
how does why you bonne
there be enye me nim say my bonne aye me de ti me friend
me say o je say why you bonne tina
anaga na me ye bi da
o ka kire o maami say wo maga na biem
me ye juma security man was Tesco's and a ma 3 be walking in omo ba no say we want to sleep with you
a ma 3 no
o maami ne ma 2 omo say time be omo ba shop na omo hu me night shift into omo say me ko doom camera
she
ti me security me ko doom camera na me no ko share corner
enanu
me wie na me frɛ me mami
say me maga na biem
say mami umba Ghana don o say maba na me say abrochi ngo
na say what say cry boni na ye wo de
aye me de me see me mbaga na biom
hey
na Ghana oba be na be kate na afin won yen kwase anyama ti you know they'll let you take them from the in the back side you know all those things was a
I say omudi e boni no especially say ba sexual sin omudi to the extreme time cry chese na omo ye no time cry
now ye bondro na ye it was it na ye de me the mean can down na ye de na ye de
nipa bebre na mu gudam ma for na mo de dabom woni we da na woni we da etina says her life na ye wo de
and then ya brofo no nko a me feel say in France biblical crap on ye wo mo abrochi a I consider them abrofo
okay
because they don't really have a culture
muni amamre bia
they don't really have it into nyama bi one more thing nyama bi ase on say Ghana so ba pel crap o checked ne ho
on me kan so but hold your ba pewa
one
oba pewa no nse oba
me yiri na ha won satama mishiano no me sempese me no ye intimate na o se de bia e won anim na matwa oba foforo
e won anim no afro oba foforo
bi so ban say o pese me no beda na waka say yes na me jano
ebra na wo pe no na ono mpene so no
me no wo ho no I left her 7 times.
Wow.
Oh
yes.
I was too bad.
No,
seriously. But I think that God allows some of us to go through certain things so that we become a blessing to others.
Nese de wo kan se tere bia nyame timi ma ho kwam yetimi fa ne ma bi mu na daachi ya be ye nhira e de ama enipa bi e wo mu se Ghana ha ye uda prison kakra London nso e uda me ba ho no muso no no muso ma me wi ana ma ba no so eti sa lifestyle ni abrabo ana wo boy ni ade no like ultimate said like immoral life and kasa to the extreme na ye wo de
I loved it with a passion.
Necessary when it's like I said why you said this is what I'm living for.
Media me see me bagana biom.
Wa brabo anie.
Nyama me wono
monfa
me mpe me bagana biom.
Say ya na mebo me bra.
Until I die. I was in it with a passion.
Mami Musa apart from Emma de no a abrabofin ne masem bebre ne say they can abrofo no date wo mo a omo de go to the extreme no e kwan be na na ofa so nye ska